Hi everybody, Assalamu alaikum and good morning here in Medina in beautiful Saudi Arabia. It's a really nice, already quite hot morning here, and today I'm going to explore some traditional breakfast. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to have, but I'm sure I'll find something really nice. Let's check it out. Okay, I've reached Chef's Market, which is a somewhat traditional market where you find traditional food and dishes from Saudi Arabia. And some of the stalls are still closed, but I see some are open. Let's have a look. Hi and welcome everybody. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning here in Medina. I am here at the Chef's Market, and this is a pretty bustling place during the day where you'll find great traditional food, but today I'm going to go for breakfast. Oh wow! That's a whole CAMEL head.
Ah.
It's ready? Yeah? Very good, huh?
ايوه 100 وهذا تعال
Okay.
تعال
Ah, okay.
هذا 100
So, yeah? Good. All right. So I'll take one, yeah?
ايوه
Yeah?
بعدين احط له من هذا ثوم فلفل كمون كزبره
Okay. So what is this?
هذا كمون وكزبره
Kamul?
اه
And this
وملح وهذا ثوم
is like spices.
ثوم
Zoom?
ايوه وهذا فلفل
Filfil.
ايوه
Okay. All right.
100
Okay, I'll take one. Is this one, yeah?
هذا حطها كذا
Yeah? Yeah? You prepared?
اه
Okay. I'll come here.
واحد
Yeah?
واحد
Yeah?
الله
Okay, so my breakfast today is camel head. A little bit surprising, but it's fresh camel head. This camel head is cooked in one of those holes where they put charcoal in, I guess. And yeah, he took one of the heads out, removed the bones of the head, emptied the brains. My first brain dump of a camel. Ah, shukran.
هذا
Yeah, in here?
هنا ايه كده
Yeah.
سوي كده
Okay. Perfect.
وهنا
Okay. Shukran. Alright, so you just showed me how to eat this. So this comes with some bread and soup, and he squeezed the lime into the soup. And yeah, I think I'm gonna have now my very first camel head. Let's give this a try. So I'm not entirely sure how you eat camel head, but it's these chunks. The white stuff is the brain, which he literally dumped on the plate. And I think I'm dunking this into the soup. That is very good. Wow. Wow. That's delicious. Super, super soft meat. This melts in your mouth. Literally, you don't have to chew it. It's so soft. Ah, shukran. I don't know what that is. He just brought me something else. I'm not sure what that is, but we'll try. And he also cut the tongue, so this is the tip of the tongue. There's so many word jokes to be made with this food, which I'm going to not do right now, but yeah, I got them on the tip of my tongue. So the soup is garlicky. Yeah. Definitely a garlicky soup, but very yummy. There are different spices in there, which he explained to me. I did not understand which spices those were. I'm going to put a little bit more of the lime in there, because that gives it a little bit of a tangy taste. Look at these chunky pieces of meat. And the spices that he sprinkled on top of this are super yummy. Again, I have no idea what it is. It's a mix of spices, I think. There's a bit of salt in there, maybe a little bit of cumin, I don't know. Very nice. This meat is so fantastic. I think the way you're supposed to eat this is with the bread together, and just kind of grabbing that with the bread, dunk it into my soup. This is very nice. Here at the Chef's Market, you find different restaurants. It's a very nice market. So far it's pretty empty because it's still fairly early in the morning. But I think this place is gonna get packed throughout the day and in the evening. And there are some restaurants where you have already quite a few patrons having their breakfast here. None of them had camel head on their plate though, at least not that I noticed. It's absolutely delicious. And to his credit, he told me so. I think that's what he told me, because I didn't understand what he was saying. Look at this yummy meat. This is definitely super nice food. So I think if you come to Medina, this is the place to have traditional food. They have all kinds of foods here, mandi, but I don't think it gets more traditional than camel head. So these white things here, that's the brain, which he cracked open the skull with a knife, and he just dumped the brain on a plate. So these white things, let me try this. Very soft. Definitely tastes different than the meat, and it's more like creamy. It's like a creamy taste. I think I do prefer the meat. Hello. The cat needs some breakfast too. There you go. So let me see what he brought here. This is interesting looking. Can you tell me in the comments what I'm eating here? It's very soft and mushy, and there's like little bones inside. Is that? I have no idea. Let's try this. It's super soft. It doesn't really have a lot of taste, I must say. But maybe I'm just spoiled by the skull now. Look at those bones. So there's lots of these bones in there. You want more? I gave the cat a little bit of my brain. Okay, so let's continue here with the exploration of this. What is this?
هذا
Yeah? Leg? It's leg. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. So it's super, this is bone, and the rest is like, it's almost like skin. It's only skin. And judging from the color, there's turmeric in there, I think, cumin maybe. And it seems to be cooked in the same soup that I'm having for my camel head. And that soup is delicious, by the way. With the garlic, I like the lime in there, the very spices. This is a hearty, nice soup. It still has the consistency of a broth, so I do think this is probably camel soup, but I don't know. You still want more? Here you go. Okay, I hope she's happy now. Okay, so that was my little breakfast experience here in Medina. If you come to Medina, the Chef's Market is about a 15-20 minute walk from the Nabawi Mosque, so it's fairly central. You can't miss it. It's just across the street from the Bilal Mosque, which is a nice mosque that is, of course, named after the first muezzin of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It was built in the 70s, I believe. Unfortunately, it's not always open. They only open it for prayer times. And if I'm still in this area, I'll check it out from the inside. So yeah, it's not a historical mosque because it's only 40-50 years old, but it has some historical connotations. This is what a camel tongue looks like when it's chopped up. Great stuff. Very nice food. Was it a good camel head? You liked it? Yeah? Fully satisfied? Alright. So that camel head made two happy here, myself and the cat. Alright. With this, I'm going to say goodbye for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Have you ever had camel head in your life, and would you eat it? And if you haven't done so yet, please also check out my other videos on beautiful Saudi Arabia and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I see you next video. Have a good one. Bye bye.